Okay, this is the second part of my video. All I did was back up the car in the garage. I kind of got organized. I organized all my tools. I have my laptop here so that I can document and upload and answer questions. I've got my beer. I've got different colored tape. I've got some markers. I'm probably going to need more. But what I want to do is, as I'm dismantling this, I'm going to mark whatever wires I remove from the distributor, and anything on here I'm going to try to color coordinate everything, or at least label them with numbers so I know how to put it back together. And I'll go from there. I removed all the bolts to this, I believe it's valve cover. Let me see if this will pop off of here. Looks like there's some silicone around it, so it's probably stuck on, but hey, there it goes. Alright, let's see. Here goes the gaskets coming off. That's what that looks like. Oil everywhere, splattered everywhere. And lots of oil in there. Alright. So let's see what this gasket actually looks like. It doesn't look too bad, actually. I'll get my stuff quick. Oh, the gas on. That's my gas line, definitely. Great. Okay, I removed the valve cover and part of the hose is right here. I removed to get out of the way. I disconnected the exhaust manifold down there, and I was hoping I didn't have to do too much more to get this the head off. And I have to go all the way down to there on this side, which is clear, but on this side it looks like I have to remove the fuel injector. This is in the way, and then after I remove that, there's this, which is I think the air intake, because that's connected on their side, and that's where the air was coming from. So I may be wrong. I'm not a mechanic, but I'm doing this myself, learning some more as I go, and pretty mechanically inclined. Okay, I think I removed all of the bolts, disconnected all of the tubes, the wiring, everything I could see connected to this head right here, and I loosened up these bolts in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where I was, what it said in the manual. So I'm about ready to, well, I guess I missed a few here. Take these bolts out and see if the head will come off. It's actually attached to this right here, so instead of taking this off, which I couldn't get to because the bolts are underneath, it's almost impossible. But it's attached to the head, so I'm hoping that this whole piece will come off because I disconnected all the wiring and tubes from everywhere I can see. Okay, so these bolts sit right here. Okay, I'll keep the washers on them and a mixture of each. There's 10 bolts. I went ahead and bought a torque wrench because I know when I put this back together, you have to torque these down a certain amount. All right. Everything there? Almost done. After I undo these bolts, and I have to loosen those two up. And if I can go. Okay, loosen those. Loose, that's still. Don't have washers. Just make sure you grab those washers. I don't see what you're doing. That's fine.
Yeah, something's loud. It's like, how's it? It's like back here. Yeah, it's like right here.
Nothing else? I gotta get in the front.
Move out of the way, Owen. Owen, move, because Dad and them are going to set it right there. They're setting it on that towel.
Ready?
Nick! You did it.
Already see, Mom.
Did you video?
Yeah.
Okay, good. There's the cylinders. Here's your head gasket right there.
This whole thing?
Yeah, this is all we need to replace right here, but I need to find out if it's, I don't know where it was leaking.